The world is changing. What worked yesterday in money might not cut it tomorrow. Job security? Not like it used to be. It's time to take control of our financial futures. "2025 is just around the corner. The decisions we make today will determine our financial future. The economy is evolving, technology is rapidly changing the game. Are you ready to capitalize on them?" Ever wonder how the wealthy do it? It's not magic and it's not just luck. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. They understand the power of compound interest and long-term thinking. And that's exactly what we're going to uncover together. Let's be clear, getting rich isn't about luck. It starts in your head. The wealthy see money as a tool, a resource to build something bigger. They're not afraid to take calculated risks. The first step to wealth building is shifting your mindset. Instead of focusing on scarcity, start focusing on abundance. Believe that you can achieve financial freedom. The habits of the rich: small actions, big results. Building wealth isn't about making a fortune overnight. It's about developing consistent habits that lead to significant results. The wealthy track their expenses, create budgets, and prioritize saving and investing. They understand that every dollar saved is a dollar that can be put to work. Another key habit is continuous learning. The wealthy never stop educating themselves about financial matters. They set clear goals, create actionable plans, and hold themselves accountable. Breaking free from limiting beliefs. We all have beliefs about money. Some are helpful, while others hold us back. Often, these limiting beliefs stem from our upbringing or experiences. These beliefs become self-fulfilling prophecies. But here's the truth. Your financial situation isn't determined by your past. You have the power to choose a different path. The first step is identifying your limiting beliefs. Replace those limiting beliefs with empowering ones. 2025's landscape: navigating a shifting terrain. The year 2025 is right around the corner. The old rules of investing are being rewritten. The rise of technology and shifts in global economies demand a new approach. By understanding the forces at play, we can make informed decisions. The affluent understand that uncertainty breeds opportunity. They adapt their strategies and seek expert advice. It's about building a resilient financial foundation. Section 2. Beyond the hype. Unveiling smart investment strategies. Ignore get-rich-quick schemes. The wealthy build wealth through strategic, long-term investments. The stock market remains a powerful engine for growth. Do your homework before diving into stocks. Consider diversifying beyond individual stocks. ETFs offer a basket of assets, spreading your risk. Real estate is a tangible asset that has historically appreciated. Alternative investments can offer diversification and higher returns. Seek expert guidance. Section 3. Real estate reimagined, finding value in a changing market. Real estate is a cornerstone of wealth building. The market is not immune to change. The rise of remote work is reshaping investments. Today's investors are exploring emerging markets. Opportunities lie in properties with strong rental potential. Consider multifamily properties. Consider short-term rentals. Adapt to evolving trends for success. Section 4. The power of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is the cornerstone of a resilient investment strategy. Spread your risk across different asset classes. A diversified portfolio includes stocks, bonds, and real estate. Consider dollar-cost averaging to mitigate risk. Diversification is about managing risk intelligently. It's not about eliminating risk entirely. The multi-income revolution. Why one stream isn't enough. Multiple income streams are a necessity. Job security is a thing of the past. Multiple streams create a safety net. They provide security and opportunity. They allow you to pursue passions and explore new ventures. Imagine having rental income, selling crafts online, and offering freelance services. Multiple income streams open doors to possibilities. They provide control and empowerment. They accelerate your path to financial freedom. Unleashing your inner entrepreneur. Turning passions into profits. What are you passionate about? Turn it into profit. The internet has created a global marketplace. Offer your services as a freelancer or start an online business. Identify your strengths and package them into products or services. Start small and gradually build your side hustle. True wealth is about freedom and fulfillment. Align your income streams with your passions. The gig economy, your ticket to flexible income streams. The gig economy offers flexible income opportunities. Leverage your skills and time to generate income. Set your own hours and choose your projects. The gig economy is appealing for those seeking work-life balance. Income can be unpredictable, but the potential is significant. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit. The gig economy offers a pathway to financial independence. Section 4. Building a portfolio of income, diversifying your financial flow. Diversify your income streams. Create a portfolio of income sources. Combine earned income, passive income, and residual income. Align your income streams with your skills and interests. Experiment and explore different options. Building a portfolio takes time and effort. Diversifying your income creates a secure financial future. Section 1. Mastering your money. It starts with a spending plan. Let's talk about budgeting. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It helps you track where your money is going. Think of it as your financial blueprint. Track your spending to create a clear picture. Make adjustments and allocate money towards your goals. A budget is about making conscious choices. Section 2. The Latte Factor exposed small expenses, big impact. We've all heard the saying, it's not how much you earn, it's how much you keep. This simple yet profound statement holds a lot of truth, especially when it comes to managing our daily expenses. And it's true. You might be surprised how much those seemingly insignificant daily expenses add up over time. That daily latte, the takeout lunches, the quick snacks, and the small indulgences we often don't think twice about, the impulse buys at the checkout counter. All these little expenditures can accumulate into a substantial amount over weeks, months, and years. They might seem harmless individually, but collectively, they can drain your bank account and sabotage your financial goals. It's like a slow leak in a boat. If not addressed, it can eventually sink you. This is the Latte Factor in action. It's a concept that highlights how small, regular expenses can have a big impact on your financial health. It's not about depriving yourself of small pleasures. It's about being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious choices. By being aware of where your money goes, you can make better decisions that align with your financial goals. Could you bring your coffee from home instead of buying it every day? This small change could save you hundreds of dollars a year. Could you pack your lunch a few times a week? Not only is it healthier, but it also keeps more money in your pocket. Could you resist the temptation of impulse purchases by asking yourself, do I really need this, or do I just want it right now? This simple question can help you avoid unnecessary spending. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar that can be put to work for you, earning interest in a savings account, growing your investments, or paying down debt. It's about making your money work smarter, not harder. Over time, even small changes in your spending habits can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. It's the little things that add up and make a big difference. Challenge yourself to track your spending for a week and identify areas where you can trim the fat. You'll be surprised at how much you can cut back without feeling deprived. You might be amazed at how much you can save without drastically changing your lifestyle. It's about making smarter choices and being more intentional with your money. And the best part? The money you save can be redirected towards your financial goals, bringing you closer to the life you envision. Whether it's a dream vacation, a new home, or a comfortable retirement, every little bit helps. Section 3. Saving strategies for success. Making your money work for you. Saving money isn't just about putting a few dollars aside when you can. It's about creating a systematic approach that maximizes your savings potential and puts your money to work for you. This means being intentional and disciplined with your finances, ensuring that every dollar has a purpose and contributes to your overall financial health. The affluent understand that saving is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about creating financial security and freedom. They know that having a robust savings plan can provide a safety net during unexpected times and open up opportunities for future investments. One of the most effective saving strategies is automating your savings. Automation takes the guesswork out of saving and ensures consistency. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month, just like you would schedule a bill payment. This way, you prioritize saving and make it a regular part of your financial routine. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures that saving becomes a non-negotiable part of your financial routine. By treating your savings like a bill that must be paid, you can build a substantial financial cushion over time. Next, explore high-yield savings accounts and money market accounts. These financial products offer better returns on your savings compared to traditional savings accounts. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping your money grow faster. The increased interest can significantly boost your savings over time. While the interest rates might seem small, they compound over time, meaning you earn interest on your initial deposit plus the accumulated interest. This compounding effect can lead to substantial growth in your savings. Remember, saving is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. Each person's financial situation is unique, and so should be their saving strategies. The key is to find strategies that align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Tailoring your savings plan to your specific needs can make the process more effective and rewarding. Whether you're saving for a short-term goal like a down payment on a house or a long-term goal like retirement, there are saving strategies that can help you achieve your financial aspirations. By setting clear goals and following a disciplined approach, you can make your money work harder for you and secure a brighter financial future. Section 1. The Path to Prosperity. It's in your hands. This journey is yours to shape and mold. We've covered a lot of ground together, from the importance of mindset and habits, which lay the foundation for success, to the power of diversified investments and income streams, ensuring that your financial future is secure and resilient. But here's the most important takeaway. Building wealth isn't about following a rigid set of rules or chasing get-rich-quick schemes. It's about understanding the principles that lead to sustainable growth. It's about taking control of your financial future, one smart decision at a time, and being proactive rather than reactive. Remember, the affluent don't have any secret knowledge that's inaccessible to you. They have simply mastered the art of financial literacy and strategic planning. They've simply learned to approach money with a different mindset, one that sees opportunities where others see obstacles. This mindset prioritizes long-term thinking, strategic planning, and consistent action, all of which are crucial for financial success. They understand that financial freedom isn't a destination, it's a journey, a continuous process of growth and learning. This journey requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt to new circumstances and information. The good news is, you don't have to come from wealth to build wealth. Your background does not define your financial future. You have everything you need within you right now to create a life of financial security and abundance. The potential is already there. It starts with a decision, a commitment to yourself that you're worthy of financial well-being. This decision is the first step on your path. So, embrace the principles we've discussed, adapt them to your unique circumstances, and make them work for you. Never stop learning and growing. The world of finance is ever evolving, and staying informed is key. The path to prosperity is paved with smart choices, consistent effort, and a dedication to continuous improvement, and an unwavering belief in your ability to achieve your financial dreams. Believe in yourself, and the rest will follow. Section 2. Embrace the journey, celebrate every milestone. Building wealth can feel like a daunting task, especially if you're starting from scratch. But here's the secret: it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Break down your financial goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Focus on making progress one day at a time. Celebrate every milestone along the way, no matter how small it may seem. Paid off a credit card? That's a victory. Increased your savings rate? Give yourself a pat on the back. Landed a new client for your side hustle? You're on fire. These small wins create momentum and fuel your motivation to keep going. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Seek out mentors, join financial literacy communities, and surround yourself with people who support your aspirations. Share your goals, ask for help when you need it, and celebrate each other's successes. The journey to financial freedom is more rewarding when it's shared. So, go forth with confidence, armed with the knowledge and tools you need to build a brighter financial future. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never lose sight of the incredible power you have to shape your financial destiny. The future is yours to create.